Samsung's flagship Galaxy 23 Ultra signified a considerable leap in the camera sector, with a better main camera, powerful computational functions, and an updated selfie camera. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, will not have the same upgrades. According to Ice Universe, a reliable and accurate source, Samsung plans to retain the same 200 megapixels camera for its upcoming flagship Galaxy S24 series, indicating that the camera upgrades seen in the Galaxy 23 Ultra may not be present in the next generation of Samsung's flagship phones. With the ISO-CELL-HP2 sensor, Samsung can only provide software upgrades on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, not to add that the phone will apparently employ the same 12-megapixel Sony camera with a telephoto lens. It's the same IMX754 used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which provides 3x optical zoom. Similarly, the ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will stay intact, using the same 12-megapixel Sony IMX564 sensor as the S23 Ultra. However, there is one sensor that Samsung may upgrade on the upcoming phone: the second telephoto sensor. According to reports, Samsung may employ a slightly upgraded Sony IMX754 Plus sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will allow 10x optical zoom. While the Galaxy S23 Ultra already boasts excellent zoom capabilities, this enhanced sensor has the potential to take the phone's zoom photography to the next level. While the story just mentions the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the same may be said of the other two phones in the series. So the story essentially says that Samsung will just upgrade the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 10x telephoto sensor. And this is the first time we've heard about Samsung's focus on zoom sensors in next-generation handsets. While there are some contradicting claims regarding the camera sensors on the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, both indicate that Samsung would prioritize increasing the phone's zoom capabilities. Some rumors say that Samsung will employ a new ISO-CELL zoom sensor, while others suggest that the old Sony sensor will be upgraded. Regardless of the sensor used, it is worth mentioning that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is already an excellent camera phone, and the absence of major advancements in the S24 Ultra's camera should not make the phone unworthy of purchase. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.